So what is written discovery, and how does it come into play in a trust and a will case in California? Written discovery is where the majority of the time is spent in litigation in most types of cases, along with taking depositions. Generally, written discovery is going to come before depositions, which we'll cover in a later video, but we're talking about just specifically written discovery at this time. Written discovery is attorney-drafted questions that are sent to the other side for them to answer. And of course, they have their lawyer helping them answer those questions. You can be sure that if you send discovery to someone, they're going to send written discovery to you. It's a little bit of a game in California. It's not quite as good as federal court where there's some mandatory disclosure requirements, but generally lawyers are going to try not to disclose information if they don't have to. Generally, you want to have all facts, all witnesses, and all documents. That's really what written discovery boils down to under California law. Do you have access to all the facts you need to determine if you have a good claim or not? Do you have all of the potential witnesses who could testify as to those facts so we can determine if they're credible facts or if the facts need to be defeated because they're not credible or less than credible? And then finally, the documents. And the documents are important. Trust documents, beneficiary designation form documents, life insurance documents, documents from a bank that show financial accounts being moved around. The documents are very important. The nice thing about documents is you get to ask the other side, usually the bad actor, for those documents, but you're not limited to just asking them for documents. You're allowed to go directly to the banking institutions, the brokerage houses, hospitals for medical records and so forth, and independently get those records from those third-party sources so that you can double-check those against what it is you receive from the opposing side. Once you have that general picture of the case from the written discovery, you now move into oral depositions, which again we will cover in a later video.